So the wife's been complaining for about 6 months now that we don't have any cup holders in here. This is a 1995 Nissan Hardbody, and they just didn't come with cup holders. Not enough space, or either way, there's not really any place to put one. I've seen a few people modify their armrest and remove this guy and install custom cup holders in here. But today, I'm going to be installing just some cheap Amazon boat universal cup holders in my D21. And I think I'm going to be putting it right here. I've actually already started putting one screw in just to see if it would work, and sure enough it will. Something like that. It's fairly straight there, nothing's really in the way. It's not going to get in the way of your knee for the passenger. So I think I'm going to put two, one there and then another one over here. Luckily this thing comes with a lot of hardware. There's actually 6 screws that they give and 2 things of Velcro tape. I thought it was double-sided sticky tape at first, but it's Velcro. So I'm going to be putting 2 strips of the Velcro tape on either side of the screws in the center. I guess you could put all 6, but I just think it's overkill for a cup that's under a pound, you know. So yeah, I'll get started. So you'll just need a Phillips screwdriver. If you bought the same kit as me from Amazon, I think it was like, I paid around $20 for 4 of them. I have actually a Datsun pickup. I'll be adding the other 2 in. It's actually a nice spot for it. So there it is. Put the 2 screws in, and yeah, close it up like this. I think that looks pretty nice. Pops open okay. And it holds the water bottle okay. I don't think that's going anywhere. Now let's install the second one. I like to line it up first, see where I want to put it, and just make the hole. I guess the proper way to do this would be to use a drill, but I don't know, it's just plastic. So the screw just does a good job just getting in there. If you're not strong enough, I guess, go ahead and drill out a pilot hole. Yeah. So I just line it up first, then I put the sticky tape on the back, and then install each screw. So there you have it. 2 cup holders installed in a Nissan Hardbody. Let me know in the comments where you put your cup holders. I was kind of thinking, you know, on the door might be a good spot too. Because even on this side, on the driver's side, it wouldn't be in the way.